Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install older version of any app on Android. For example, you got a new update from one of your software, but that application doesn't work properly or doesn't work normally after the update. So here you need to revert or go back to older version of that app. You cannot find the older version of that app in the Play Store because in the Play Store is the only the latest APK or application that listed here. So here, in order to get older version of your APK or installer, you need to open from your browser. Let's open a Chrome, for example. And here you can try to access uptodown.com. Here you can try to download the older version of one of the apps. For example, let's try to find a Zoom. This is the Zoom Workplace. This is the online meeting app. So you can video calls and meeting with ton of other possibilities. And here, as you can see, you can get the latest version, of course, but in order to get older version, you can tap this older version of Zoom Workplace. And here we go. You can get from the 2024, the last year update, and up to 2023. Of course, there is a 2023 APK or installer here. So you can going deep into first version maybe, or try to find your best version of the app. So here, let's try again another application. For example, game here. Let's try to find this is the shooter game maybe, Blood Strike. Here, this is the latest version, and if you tap older version, you can get the older version, of course, from April 2024 and so on. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.